Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. So today we need to fix a couple of our savings. So got some bad news. So Alicia's car, so the starter went out in her car. This is the auto bill. It was $840, plus we had to have it towed for $139. So we need to fix our savings because there's no longer that much in there. Okay, so this is our savings. So we had $982 in there. We need to take $840 out. Oh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me get some change. I need to. So we need to readjust this. Let's see. 20, 40, 45, and 50. Take that out. Put some of this in. So 840. It was actually 840. What was it? 841. 841. So we're taking 841 out of our savings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, and 1. Okay, so that goes back out there. So our savings has. Oh, and I took 100 out and put towards the debt. So we are like starting over, like all the way over practically. So our savings will now have 20, 30, 35, 40, and $41. But I guess I'm glad we had it, you know. So, $41. So we had car repairs was what did I say? 841 and plus 100. All right, so it's what's today, 27? I don't know. I know it's Saturday. Okay, so we have $41, guys. Oh, that's so disappointing. But I'm glad that we had that in there. So, okay. And then our emergency fund, we took that 200 as well and put it towards debt. And then I'm going to start over with $5. So 427. So we paid debt. We're gonna say 195. And we're gonna fix that. So that now has $5. So emergency fund has $5 real dollars in there. Okay, and then, oh, that's so disappointing. But it is fixed now. Okay, so that is done. And then we have, let me put all this money away here in our drawer. And then we have Buck Challenge money, guys. So we found some more. Oh, doggone it, these nickels. I need to move these in a different spot. Let's move them over there. Sorry, guys. That's kind of loud. Let's use this color. Actually, you know what? Let's use this turquoise color. I really like it. Oh my God, the cat scared me. She's under the desk. Okay, so we have 1A. All right. And we finished 2 more last time. So I found a couple more. So A's now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in A's. And I took all the other ones out that we finished. We're just gonna do the ones that we haven't finished. Okay, in F's, we are going to be putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 F's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, excuse me, 6, and 7. If you guys are new here, thank you for joining and watching. This is content that you like. We do budgeting, we do savings challenges, all sorts of community challenges as well. I'm glad you're here. All right, leave me a comment, hit that thumbs up button, guys. All right, let's see how many we have in F's now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 14 in F's. Now this is the second round of F's that we've done. And if you're new here, also, we are on a debt-free journey as well as trying to save. And let me tell you, it is challenging, guys. We have one I. So trying to save money and pay off debt, it's not real. You either have to focus on one or the other. But since we're in a much better place, a little bit of the extra money is allowing me to do some savings challenges, which I absolutely love them. So let's count the I's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 I's. We're slowly finding one here and one there, guys. And look what I found. A J, guys. I found a J. Oh, I keep hitting that. Okay. And another J. Woo! I'm so excited. Okay. And let's count these up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, guys. 5 is a win. We just need 20 more. So each card is worth 25 bucks, which is awesome. And I found a K as well. All right, let's get this K. I'm hoping to finish this next time. I'm going to really try to find some of these guys so that we can finish them. All right, let's count how many K's we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We are 4 away. 4 away, guys. Yikes. Okay, so that is the buck challenge. And I mean, we're doing pretty good. We've finished, what, 5 altogether? So that's not so bad. And then we are going to do savings challenges. We did not finish any. So this is the Donna Powered by Creativity. It's a community collaboration, and I'll get that out. This is what it looks like. You can go to Donna Powered by Creativity to get this and print it out. It's a freebie, so everybody, anyone who wants to do it can do it. And it's so it uses a dice, and basically you label these 1 through 6, and the dice, you can do $1, $2, whatever you want to do. So it's an extra way to save, but we are not doing that right now. We are going to start doing some of these other ones. So these I printed off from the Humble Budgeter, guys. So I want to give a shout out to the Humble Budgeter. Oh, look. Roll the dice. Should we do this one? Ooh, yeah. Roll the dice. Okay, let me get some of these together. And I want to kind of put these together in the challenge as well. So, ooh, these are stuck together. Ooh, and these are some other new ones. So let's take an envelope. Let me get back to you guys. Let me pause you.